my vlog. A vlog.
We're in this hot place and
Okay, one of.
Yeah.
there's a bird. Come on, let's go see the dried up snake. Madison, let's go show them the dried snake.
We're gonna show you a dry snake. Come on.
Okay,
Come
wait.
on.
You have to keep it like this. You know how many views we got on one of our videos? Our first video? 13 views. That's a lot for us because we just started YouTube yesterday and we got 7 subscribers already.
No, we didn't start.
Yes, we started YouTube yesterday. And we got 7 subscribers.
We started used to
we already got 7 subscribers.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Let's go show them the well, we're not. Feels good out here now.
He wasn't there. So, yeah, like he's just not going to get. He's recently in the last couple of years.
They're fishing.
Since I've had Madison.
That's lame. They're fishing, and that's boring. There's a dried up snake over there. Feels good out here. It's windy. And what? The ducks. No, Oreo.
Can you get my top?
Yeah. Okay, go back right there. Here.
Cheyenne, come here.
Ew, what is that?
With a red eye.
Probably an alligator looking.
No. It is alligator.
Yeah, with a red eye. It's probably an alligator. You want to look at
Come here. It is a good fish. With a red eye. Ball. Can we go over there?
No.
Mommy.
He's had a really good time.
They should have found a place to fish on the
Are
way
we up
back.
there? Here,
Okay, say bye.
Bye.